1, 2, 3, funk it.
Hi everyone, I'm Joya if you're new here, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another review. Surprise, surprise. I'm going to be reviewing Glamnetic. If you don't know what Glamnetic is, which you probably do because it's been everywhere recently, not even recently, it's been like in the last couple months, but I just feel like I'm late on all this stuff. Basically, they're magnetic eyelashes, but they're not the regular ones where the strip is magnetic. They come with an eyeliner that's magnetic, so they're supposed to stick to the eyeliner. So that way it's supposed to be super easy to apply and you can get like a million uses out of them compared to regular lashes. So on the website, there's a couple different bundles that you can get. You can get a bundle that includes the liner and the lashes, or just a couple lashes together. I just decided just to get the lashes and the eyeliner separate. I got the black liquid liner. There's a brown one that I really wanted, but it's been sold out for a while. I just checked and it's still sold out, and I ordered these like 2-3 weeks ago. The liner by itself is $37, which I feel like is pretty steep for a liquid eyeliner. I know there's high-end liners that are like in $20, that kind of range, but $37.99. I guess because it is the magnetic aspect of this whole thing, but it's still expensive, and I don't know how I convinced myself to buy it. And the lashes were $29.99. When I was going through the website, it looked like most of the pairs of lashes were $29.99, unless there's other styles that are more expensive or less expensive. But from what I could tell, all the lashes were $29.99 each, which also I feel like is kind of expensive. There are like higher end lashes that you can get. I'm not quite sure of the prices. I know they're like in the $20 range. I'm not sure if they're as expensive as these, but to me, paying $29.99, almost $30 for just one pair of lashes is a little bit crazy. Oh, but people did say that you can get a lot of different uses out of these because you're not using glue, so you don't have to worry about like glue getting stuck on the band and having to clean them and all that stuff. So I've watched a couple different videos on these and they were all pretty good. Everyone really liked them. So I decided to try it for myself. So I got the lashes in vacay. They're just kind of like a rounded, pretty fluttery lash. Basically what it says on the back, it has the directions on the back of the eyeliner. It says, shake before each use, glide brush tip along lash line, making an even line as thick as the lash magnets. For optimal results, apply glamnetic lashes when liner is 80% dry. So I feel like it's just like waiting for eyelash glue to dry. You want it to be a little bit tacky or else the lashes aren't gonna stick. So here we go. So I'm first just gonna apply the liner to my lash line. I already did my makeup, my eyeshadow and everything. I just put on a little bit of eyeshadow at the end, but I didn't put on any eyeliner yet. I hate eyeliners like this because I feel like it's just so hard to apply. It's not just like a pen. You could make a mistake in like a second. It smells so weird. I know like no one smells this, but it just smells so weird. I feel like this also comes in like a decent amount. It's not too small. So, and I feel like you don't need a lot of this. I mean, unless you're doing like a huge liner and like a wing, but I feel like you could do that with your regular liner and then just put this over top just for the lashes. I feel like that would be smarter. I hate putting on eyeliner, so wish me luck. Oh my god, I'm already messing up. This is even harder because I don't have anywhere to like put my hand. Oh my god, this is thick. Okay. Oh. Okay, good. You can just swipe it off. Okay. It's a lot thicker than I wanted. Definitely did not want it to be this thick, but whatever. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera because this was like too hard. So the eyeliner is on. I feel like it's kind of even. I know it doesn't really look that cute, but I'm hoping that the lashes will kind of hide the eyeliner a little bit. I'm just gonna wait a little bit. Okay, so let's try. I'm just gonna take my tweezers and put on these lashes. Oh. Some eyeliner did get on my lashes, so that's really annoying because then like the lashes are just gonna stick to my real lashes instead of the eyeliner. Oh, I don't think I needed to cut this. To be honest, I don't know if I put this on the right eye because they look the same. So I'm not sure if this is supposed to be the inside or the outside. Like, am I actually stupid? Let me try it on the other eye. Okay, so the eyeliner did smudge. I don't know if I'm supposed to wait for it to dry more because on other videos, when they took off the lashes and the liner, or when they took off the lashes, the liner did not come off with it. So, but mine almost like half of it came off. So I don't really know what that's about. That's great though. Let me just put this on the other eye and see, like, is this supposed to go on this eye? I don't really know because they're very rounded lashes, so they're not like winged out, but I have to say, like, these applied so easily. Like, literally so quick and so easy, and they look really pretty. Like, I'm really into this style of lash. I'm actually really into this. But yeah, I don't really know like what this is supposed to go on. Let me take it off and see. Okay, so a little bit of the liner here came off. I think I should have waited a little bit longer to put it on. I'm gonna apply a little bit more and then I'm gonna put them back on, but I don't think I need to trim them. I feel like they're the perfect length for my eyes. This liner is very messy. I don't know if you can tell, but if you're trying to smudge it or fix anything, it's very messy. And I feel like, let me show you, you're not gonna be able to see at all, but there is a little bit of residue of the liner on the lashes, which is not that big of a deal because lashes always have like a residue of glue. So this is something that I feel like people will be used to, and I feel like it's probably easy to clean just like with a makeup wipe or something. And it's a little flaky, so I think it just flakes off. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and reapply some eyeliner just a little bit, wait a little bit more, and then put them both on. Oh, and also the container that it's in, it has a magnet, so the lashes literally just stick to it, so they're always in place, so they're never gonna, like, you're never gonna lose them because they just stick right to the magnet that's on here, which I think is super cool. Also, while we're waiting, let me just say, once this liner dries, it is not going anywhere. I just tried to wash off the liner that was on my hands, and it's definitely waterproof. It was not going anywhere. I just used my micellar water and I had to literally scrub it off. So that's good. You don't have to worry about your eyeliner moving, so your eyelashes won't fall off, which is awesome. I think I waited enough time. Let me just put them back on. I think since the ends are the same, like it doesn't flare out or anything, I think it doesn't really matter which eye you put it on. At least I hope not. Like, I hope it doesn't look stupid. These are dramatic. I feel like this is just a little too close to the inside. I'm just gonna adjust. So I tried to adjust and it just like did not want to happen, and the eyeliner smudged. Like, I don't know if I'm an idiot because everyone's been doing this is like, this is so easy, and it really is. But I think if you try to play around with it too much, like, it just is not gonna work out for you. I'm gonna need to reapply again. Every time I take this off, the eyeliner is like coming off. I don't know if I'm not waiting long enough for it to dry or what, but I don't know. Okay, while we're waiting for the right one to dry, I just reapplied eyeliner again. Let's do my left eye. Okay, I feel like these are pretty stuck on there. I'm just gonna squeeze. So it like squeezes my lash together, because I usually will put on mascara before and a little bit after I put on lashes. But with these, I feel like you don't really need to. Like, I feel like my real lashes blended pretty well with these, especially because we have eyeliner, so it kind of just hides everything. And also, I hate when I'm taking off lashes and I still have mascara that I need to take off. And it's just like a whole thing, because you have to take off glue, and then you also have mascara that you need to wipe off. So I would just rather not do that. I feel like I could have cut these a little bit because they are pretty far in my inner corner, but I feel like they're fine. While I'm waiting for this one to dry, I'm just gonna add some mascara to my lower lashes. What mascara is this? This is the Lancome Monsieur Big. This is just like a sample one that I have just to, oh, of course, I got a clump of mascara on my lashes. Okay, let me try that again. I'm just gonna very lightly put on a little bit on the ends. Let's try the right eye now. Why does this eye look so much bigger? Okay, I think it might just be the way I applied it, but this eye just looks way different to me. I feel like this whole video is a fail. They do look really good. I feel like even if I'm pulling them lightly, like they're not really going anywhere, which is awesome. So I've seen a lot of people like do the blow dryer test where they put their blow dryer on cool air on their eyes just to see if the lashes will come off. So we're gonna do that. Okay, so I did reapply the lash on my left side, just so that way they both look the same. Okay, so I have my blow dryer. I'm gonna, of course, put it on cool air, and then I'm gonna put it on low and see what happens. Okay, so they didn't move. Yeah, they look still pretty intact, which I'm surprised about. I'm gonna try on high, just put it a little bit further away and see what happens. Okay, so, okay, they stayed on, didn't really come off. So I think it's safe to say that these are gonna stay on. Also, I don't know if you're gonna be in contact with that much wind, like right to your face, but they look like they stayed on. So I feel like if you're going out or something, you won't have that much of a problem. And also you can just carry around your liner and just reapply your liner. I feel like that's easier than reapplying glue sometimes. They did a good job. They passed the test. Okay, so this was the review. I did have a few problems just with taking the lashes off and putting them back on. The liner did come off a little bit. I don't know if I should have waited until the liner was a little bit more dry to take them off or to put them on, but I don't think it's that big of an issue. It did smudge a little bit, but that's also because like I'm not that great at eyeliner. If you're better at eyeliner, this will probably look a lot better. Overall, I like how the lashes look. They're super pretty. They have a lot of different lashes on their website. So, the final verdict. Do I think these are worth it? I'm not really sure, to be honest. I don't wear full lashes that often. I mainly like will put lashes on the outer corner of my eye, or like if I'm going out, I'll put on lashes, but usually I'm an eyelash extensions type of girl. But in this quarantine, I haven't had my lashes done, so I've been wearing like lashes more. But typically I have eyelash extensions on, so I don't usually put lashes on as much as other people do, but I do feel like these are easier to put on than regular lashes, so I feel like they are worth it. They are just so expensive. Just the glue especially is so expensive. I keep saying glue, I mean liner. If I say glue, I mean eyeliner. But I feel like it could last you a while if you don't use that much of it. So I don't really know, to be honest, what to tell you guys here. Definitely try it out for yourself. It's honestly a game changer. If the liner wasn't so expensive, I'd be like 100% regular lashes replaced for me. But I don't really know, to be honest. But other than that, I say honestly try them out for yourself. They have really pretty lashes. I actually really am into these. Like, these make your eyes look so pretty. I think they're worth a shot. Yeah, that was pretty much it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know this is a little bit late compared to other videos because there's a million of these videos that have already been out for a while. But I still wanted to make a video on it, telling you guys my opinions and my thoughts on it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!